Are you ready to take on an exciting new role in New Zealand? Thunderbox Portaloos Ltd is looking for the right candidate to join their team in Dairy Flat, Auckland. This full-time, permanent position offers a competitive salary of $70,000 to $75,000 yearly. If you have a strong work ethic, honesty, and a positive attitude, you might be the ideal fit. Our ideal candidate will bring a great sense of humor, practical skills, and a proactive approach to fixing and maintaining equipment. While experience in the construction industry is a plus, it's not a must, so don't hesitate to apply. At Thunderbox Portaloos Ltd, teamwork and a collaborative mindset are key. If you're open to feedback, enjoy working independently and in a team, and are excited to grow with us, we'd love to hear from you. For more details on salary and benefits, check the link in the description. This could be your next big career step, so apply today and make a difference with Thunderbox Portaloos Ltd.
For further details about this position and to submit your application, please check the link in the video description below.